The PTR signal tracer, very close to being done. Good afternoon, YouTube. It is 1:20 now on a, what day is this? Tuesday afternoon. I just have not been motivated this morning, today so far. Usually I'm chomping at the bit to get into this stuff, but today for some reason I have not been. So what I need to do is the next thing, my next goal I should say, this pink wire here has to be either split or just basically unsoldered from there, and unsoldered from there, and a new wire run from there to the switch, and the other switch terminal needs to come back to here to make the switch be active. So that's my next little project. Also, the other project that I'm working on is the power connector for the tracer itself, which I'm going to put down here at the bottom. I've got to decide once and for all which is the bottom, which is going to be the top. I guess it really doesn't matter. I think these are exactly the same. So, like I said, it does seem to be, well, the writing is upside down, so that would be, writing would be upside, or right side up there, so I guess that would be the top side and bottom side. So we'll use that for our whatever. But I need to put a hole right in the middle of that, or I could put it right over here. No, I think right in the middle would be best. Keep it down towards the bottom a little bit. You don't want it at the top, because if it's at the top, then the wire is going to be pulling on the back of the thing and pull it over. So you want it on the bottom to, you know, be much better. So that's my thought on that. So one of these projects I'm going to work on, and I don't know which one. I need to do it all. Also, I did figure out something last night for my speaker, and it's going to cost me around $2, and I need to go get it. But that's probably, I don't know when I'll do that, but it is basically gutter guard for, it's like a screen for your gutter. Now it's not a closed mesh screen, it's a pretty open mesh, but they sell it at all the home improvement, Home Depot, you know, Lowe's. Well, I say Home Depot, they don't have it. They have it on their website. Now this is the way Home Depot works. They have it on their website, they show it, they give you a price, and it was reasonable. It was $2 and something. And then you look down below and it says this product is not available at the stores. And then you look on the other side where normally it tells you they can ship it to you. This product is currently unavailable. So why it's there, I have no idea, but it is there. So I want to show you that. I'll pull that up on a computer and put a screenshot of that in. It just kills me sometimes the way people, or the way these companies work. But anyway, Menards has it, and they have it for $1.96. There's a Menards in Columbus, and it's just down the expressway from me. So I could probably run down there and pick it up. But I think it's a 6-inch wide, 20-foot roll. So, you know, that, that should be plenty for my 3-inch little speaker. But I don't know, it might come in handy for other projects like this, you know, because it should make a pretty good cover for that speaker. I mean, you know, it's not going to be perfect, it's not cloth, you know, it's not that closed mesh, but for my purposes it should be perfect. So alright, I'm going to get busy and do one or the other of these, and then I'm going to make a video, so stay tuned. Alright, I'm back once more. It's 1:32 now. I have just now made a hole and installed that in there. That's all eyeball. I got it over this way a little bit too much, I think, but that's no problem. Like I said, nobody's ever going to see it. It's in the back. I always have a problem figuring out the connections on these because there's three connections there, and that kind of throws me for a loop because you only have 2 power wires. So, you know, why they do it that way, I'm not totally sure. I know there is a reason, but I have to go through and do some ohm meter checks, continuity checks, and find out what's what. That looks like that is connected to the outside, I'm guessing. I think that one back there is 2, but I'm not really sure. And so this is the inside, looks like. But like I said, I'll check it out and you know, get our reading from the center pin and the outside and make sure I get the right ones. And do away with the other one because that way it, you know, won't cause confusion on my part. But anyway, I think my soldering iron should be heated up, so let me get some wires soldered on that, and that will be ready to go. And I'm back again at YouTube. It's 2:41 now in the afternoon. As you can see, I have a couple screws in it to hold it together. I have a couple screws in the speakers to hold them together. I do have it hooked up, and if we press the on button, something should happen, but oh, there we go. Turn it up a little bit. It works nice. So that's AF. Now here's the thing. Get a lot of hum if it's not connected to anything. So may have to look into that. But as long as it's connected, seems like as long as it's connected to a ground, it works fine. And so, you know, even with it like that, it's not connected there. So you can still trace with it. So anyway, that's pretty good. I like that. Everything is hooked up. It is using the power from the wall wart over there on the wall. That's a 9-volt wall wart. Everything is pretty much done. I did not take any pictures of the inside. I may do that once I take it apart because it will have to come apart again. I have 2 more screws to put in the speaker, and that one down here is going to be difficult to get to because of those wires, but not impossible. But it's seems to be working pretty darn good. I'd like to have some kind of radio to do some testing with. Let me see if I can find that and bring you back. Alright, like I said, this one's not the best one because I don't know how well this works. So, anywho, you can see it does trace. I'm going to have to wait till I get to a real life situation here before I can fully demonstrate this. Like I said, I just don't have anything, you know, I fixed everything. I don't know. Unless I take something apart, you know what I'm saying? And I don't really want to do that. Like I said, it is working. Much quieter on RF, so that's good. Alright, I'm going to call that good. Like I said, next time you see this, hopefully I'll have the screen in place and get everything else lined up. Now I think if I had to do it over with, I probably would have put that power switch in a different spot with these plugs on top of it. It's just a little bit hard to get to turn it off. I mean, you know, it's not a big deal, but, and it does work that way, so. Quite a bit of hum there. Sensitive, very sensitive. So, it is working though, that's the main thing. And I'm very happy with it. Very happy indeed. So I'm going to stop this here and put this up on the interwebs. You guys have a great day. I have to go down to Vivi one day this week. I haven't decided which day yet to go, but my sister asked if I could come down, so I'm going to do that. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching, and we will see ya.